Alright, today I wanted to show you a couple things on how your body functions and the different types of care out there. In chiropractic there's three basic types of care. There's initial intensive care, corrective, and preventative care. And most people aren't aware of this, they don't know there's different types of care. But most people when they come in, they're right here at obvious symptoms. And that's where you are, you're having obvious symptoms. And on the top of this chart it talks about how you're feeling, and underneath it, it tells you what's happening in your body during that stage. Most people when they come in, this is where they are. Most people also don't want to be there. They actually want to be all the way up here at prevention, maintenance, and optimum function. So, as we work on you, you're going to start moving across this graph. And the first kind of sticking point is when people hit here, symptoms gone. Sometimes people will hit this spot where it says symptoms gone, and guess what they do?
Quit coming.
Right, they quit coming because they think that they're fixed. And while they are feeling better, and that's great, the problem is if the muscles and tissues in there, specifically the deep stabilizer muscles, if these have not changed, what do you think happens the moment this person does something in life that stresses those weak spots?
They're in pain again.
Right, they go right back to their symptoms. And then doing that again and again and again and again and again is what we call a relief care cycle. And that's really not the best choice. What's better is to get these muscle and tissue changes to happen and then be up in this area here. So here's the question. How do you know when these muscle and tissue changes have happened? Because as soon as you hit here, you're feeling good.
From the tests.
You got it. All of those tests that we did, they show us how well the muscles are working, and if they're not working well, you are still very susceptible to having a problem. If they're working great, then everything's working great. Make sense?
Yes.
Good job.